Completely clean and dry the surface areas where the vinyl will be placed. For best results, use a cleaner that will not leave a residue. Mark the placement of your design. If you're applying vinyl to a wall, you can use a level to ensure precise alignment. To ensure perfect placement, apply vinyl using Cricut transfer tape. Cut a piece of transfer tape the size of your image. Remove the liner from the transfer tape. Carefully lay the transfer tape over your weeded vinyl image using the grid for alignment. If there are any air bubbles, be sure to smooth them out. Now, peel the liner from your vinyl image. The vinyl will be held in place by the transfer tape. Now you can place the transfer tape, carrying the vinyl image, on the wall or item. Be sure to line up the grid marks on the transfer tape with the markings you made for placement. Working from the center of the image to the edges, press down firmly on the transfer tape. You can burnish the image with the Cricut scraper to help remove any bubbles. Once your image is completely smooth, begin at one corner and slowly remove the transfer tape from the vinyl by pulling it off at a 45-degree angle. Never just pull your transfer tape in one motion. Instead, use a rocking motion from side to side.